Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the periods pain. Why during the period, women experiences stomach pain, back pain, bloating, etc. And the care to be taken, food to eat and food to avoid during the periods. Generally, during periods, the uterus lining, which is called as endometrium, will shed off. Whenever endometrium is shed off, women experiences bleeding. And for this, prostaglandins play an important role in the shedding of endometrium. And also, during periods, the uterus muscles will contract as well as relax. Because of the contraction and relaxation of uterus muscles, women experiences pain. And we call this period pain as dysmenorrhea in medical terminology. However, in periods, this pain is normal because of the physiological response. But in certain people, the pain will be so severe. So, such people should consult gynecologist. Why? Because severe pain may also occur because of certain pathological conditions like endometriosis, uterine fibroids, adenomyosis, etc. Now we are going to discuss about the care to be taken during these painful periods. During these periods, applying heat packs like hot water bag, towels, hot water bottle on the lower abdomen can reduce the pain. Why? Because this moist heat relaxes the uterine muscles, thereby reducing the pain. And taking hot water bath during periods can also reduce the pain. And certain medications, especially prostaglandin inhibitors like NSAIDs, ibuprofen, naproxen, mefenamic acid can also help to reduce the period pain. Taking magnesium rich foods also reduces the period pain. Why? Because magnesium is a muscle relaxant. It relaxes the uterine muscles. So taking magnesium rich foods like banana, nuts like almonds, cashew, green leafy vegetables like spinach, and certain nuts like pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and anti-inflammatory foods like ginger, cinnamon, turmeric milk, and certain seeds like fennel seeds also helps to reduce the pain. And doing exercise, yoga also helps to reduce the period pain. Why? Because doing exercise, yoga releases the endorphins which relaxes the uterine muscles. Now we are going to discuss about the food to avoid during the periods. During periods, women should avoid food that cause bloating like dairy products like milk, curd, coffee, etc. They should avoid taking cool drinks, chocolate, junk food, etc. This is all about the period pain, that is dysmenorrhea. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.